Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best plant grower is probably one of the most exciting innovations in home gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, this device promises to revolutionize the way you grow plants indoors. With its smart features and user-friendly design, it simplifies the process, making it easier than ever to cultivate your favorite herbs, vegetables, and flowers right in your living space. Get ready to transform your home into a thriving green oasis. Number 5. AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Garden. Introducing the AeroGarden Harvest, a hydroponic gardening system. This system allows you to grow fresh vegetables, herbs, or flowers indoors, all year round, without any soil. This compact countertop garden can accommodate up to 6 plants simultaneously. Each plant can grow up to 12 inches tall, providing a bountiful harvest. Equipped with a 20W LED grow light, it mimics natural sunlight. This feature helps plants germinate up to 5 times faster compared to traditional soil-based gardening. The illuminated control panel reminds you when to add water and plant food. This simplifies the gardening process, making it worry-free. The AeroGarden Harvest comes with a grow light system, power adapter, plant food, and a gourmet herb seed pod kit. The kit includes Genovese basil, curly parsley, dill, thyme, Thai basil, and mint. What we like? This AeroGarden makes indoor gardening incredibly simple. It's perfect if you're a beginner or just want a hassle-free way to grow herbs and vegetables. If you are looking for a compact and easy-to-use system, this is a great choice. It simplifies the whole process with its automated features. What people say? The grow light is very bright and the plants are loving it. The water fill is easy and the water level indicator is a nice feature. The timer is easy to set and works great. Number 4. LetPot LPH-SE 12-Pod Smart Hydroponics Garden. Introducing the LetPot LPH-SE. This patented smart hydroponic system lets you control everything with the LetPot app. You can easily adjust the LED lighting schedule and receive reminders, making plant care simple and efficient. Experience rapid plant growth with this system's 24-watt full-spectrum LED. It mimics natural sunlight, promoting faster growth compared to traditional methods. The app also helps you track your plant's progress. This system offers 2 LED lighting modes. Whether your plants need more blue light or red light, this system has you covered. The LetPot app makes it easy to customize the settings for your plants. The LetPot system is an all-in-one solution for indoor gardening. It includes 12 planting cups and an adjustable LED light. The 5.5-liter water tank allows for weeks of growth without constant watering. This hydroponic system is built for quality and durability, featuring a stainless steel surface. It also comes with lifetime service and continuous upgrades via Wi-Fi, ensuring you always have the best experience. What we like? The LetPot LPH-SE offers smart features and fast growth. It's ideal if you want to monitor and control your garden remotely. If you like the idea of customizing your growing environment with app control, this system is a fantastic option. It gives you precise control over your plant's needs. What people say? The self-watering feature is a game changer. The grow light is very effective. The design is sleek and modern. Number 3. Qoolife Seed Starter Tray with Plant Light. This seed starter tray has 8 LED plant lights. They provide a full spectrum of light, just like the sun, which helps plants grow strong and healthy. You can set the light to turn on for 4, 8, 12, or 18 hours. Also, you can change how bright they are. This helps the plants get the right amount of light at different times. The tray has vents you can adjust to control the moisture. It also has holes to let extra water out. This helps create the perfect place for plants to grow. Made from strong PP material, this tray is built to last. It will support your plants as they start to grow. With its special lights and features, this tray helps plants grow quickly and well. The seedlings will be stronger and look great. What we like? This Qoolife Seed Starter Kit is designed specifically for starting seeds. It provides the perfect environment for seedlings to thrive. If you are looking for a system to give your seedlings the best start, this is the one. It offers customizable lighting and humidity control. What people say? Everything fits together and works without any difficulty. The lights are a big plus, although I am not completely convinced they alone would be enough for seedlings to germinate and grow. You can adjust them, opening and closing ventilation holes on the top. Nice touch, and you can control the humidity inside with this feature. Number 2. LetPot LPH-Air Smart Hydroponics Indoor Garden. Introducing the LetPot Smart Hydroponics System. It's perfect for anyone who wants fresh herbs and vegetables year-round. This easy-to-use system fits seamlessly into your home, ensuring your plants thrive in any season. This system accelerates plant growth up to 300% faster than traditional methods. With a powerful 24W full-spectrum LED light, your plants will flourish even during the gloomiest months. Take control with the user-friendly LetPot app. You can adjust lighting, customize light modes, and receive water level alerts. The app ensures your plants thrive with features like silent mode. The LetPot system is crafted from premium, BPA-free resin materials. The adjustable LED lighting rod extends up to 14 inches. The 4-liter water tank sustains growth for up to 21 days without watering. With LetPot, you're pioneering a new era of cultivation. Order now and enjoy effortless gardening, precise control, and unparalleled performance. It's a commitment to your plant's prosperity. What we like. The LetPot LPH-Air is designed for convenience and efficiency. It's perfect if you want to grow herbs and vegetables with minimal effort. If you are a busy person who wants fresh produce year-round, this system is a great choice. It offers smart features and a large water tank for easy maintenance. What people say. The grow light is very bright and the plants are loving it. The water reservoir is easy to fill and the plants seem to be getting the right amount of water. The timer function is very convenient. Number 1. INBLOOM AeroGarden Salad Seed Pod Kit. This INBLOOM kit brings you American fast lettuce, butter lettuce, red cherry tomato, and golden cherry tomato. It's packed with seeds for a variety of fresh, low-calorie salads, bursting with flavor. This seed kit is compatible with AeroGarden, AeroGarden, and other hydroponic systems. You can easily harvest high-quality food and enjoy the fun of growing your own greens. The seeds are non-GMO, ensuring quality and safety. Growing indoors with this kit means you can enjoy the natural deliciousness of your own produce with peace of mind. The INBLOOM Salad Seed Kit includes seeds, grow baskets, sponges, domes, protective stickers, and plant food. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, it makes growing simple and fun. INBLOOM puts customer satisfaction first. If you have any questions or concerns about the hydroponic seed garden kits, feel free to contact them. They are always ready to assist you on your gardening journey. What we like. The INBLOOM Seed Pod Kit is all about growing fresh salad greens. It's perfect if you love salads and want to grow your own ingredients. If you like the idea of having fresh, healthy salad greens at your fingertips, you should consider this. It provides everything you need to get started. What people say. The grow light is very effective. The timer is easy to set up. The water level indicator is very helpful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.